Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth headset to your Android phone. So there's a lot of different variants of headsets, and you just have to figure out how to put this into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So on our phone, it's very easy. We can just swipe down from the top. We can locate Bluetooth under one of these buttons, and we can just hold down on it. So that's the easiest way to get to this section, and you can just go to Pair New Device. So if you can't find this section, just swipe on down, go to Settings. And then we can go to Connected Devices. And then go to Pair New Device. Now with these kind of style of like earbud, iPhone type things, or wherever AirPods, you just have to open this up and then remove them. And that's how these will typically just connect. And once they're out, they should be put into Bluetooth pairing mode. If you do have the AirPods, I think there is a sync button on the back. And you can see they're already showing up on here. I can just tap this now, allow for calls, and then go to pair. Now, if you got like one of these Xbox headsets, there should be a Bluetooth pairing button somewhere on your gaming headset. And all you have to do is press it or hold it, and it should put into the Bluetooth pairing mode. On this headset, I have to hold down this button to power it on, and then I have to hold it down again to put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And it looks like it already wants to pair, so we can just go to pair. So I just connected two different headsets to my phone. I can see them listed in here. I can go to see all. I got my Soundcore, JLabs, and Xbox headset all connected now. So with some of these devices, you can connect two different devices at the same time, but these like AirPod style headsets, they only connect to one. So if you're trying to bring them to a new device, it's probably best to just disconnect them from here before you bring them to your other phone. So just go to it, and you should be able to select it, and you can disconnect it here. So let me go here, forget, and now it's going to be easier to bring it over to a different device. So we can just delete everything from here. So if you're trying to put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode and bring it to a new device, you are good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.